Howdy everyone, this is Tricia and welcome to my channel. This year I will be doing a farmhouse themed Christmas. All the supplies that I will be using will serve as a basis to show you how I put items together for my projects. I hope that they will serve as an inspiration to give you ideas on how you can put things together for your holiday decorating. And I hope that you will enjoy this whole series. And as always, to all of you, Merry Christmas. Alright everyone, today I'm going to finish putting the rest of the ornaments that I have for my Christmas tree. You saw me create some ornaments and this is one of them, and I have placed it on my tree. Here's another one. It was a little bucket that I created from a garland. And what you didn't see me do is these berries that you see here, these stems. I went ahead and I added those, and then I also added these red balls to my tree. They are just tucked here and there on it. Let's go back a little bit so that you can see. There's another one there, and then of course some berry stems poking in and out of my tree as you go up and then back down. Alright, so let me show you the other ornaments that I have purchased. I have purchased some from the Dollar Tree and also from Hobby Lobby and another store called At Home. So let's get to that. Alright everyone, here are all my ornaments that I have recently purchased. I'm going to go over them. I thought I had more of these. I thought I had purchased more. I had been putting them all in the same bag as I'd been bringing them home, so I know I'm not missing anything. Anyway, here's a little look at the ornaments that I got from the Dollar Tree. I purchased these little churches before, but I went ahead and I purchased another two. I thought they were really pretty. This is what I really love, is these little branches. They have this little sparkle on them. There are two in each of these packet, so that's a great deal for $1. So I got two of those. I love these little wooden stars with a little jingle bell on them. They have a little bit of pine cone and a little bit of pine, and the little rope string, which I've been using on all my ornaments to hang. I also took 3 of those, also from the Dollar Tree, and I was really happy to see these. These are super cute. The little red trucks, little pickup trucks that you see everywhere with a little Christmas tree on the back. They say Merry Christmas on them. I have 2. I don't know if I am actually going to put these on my tree, or maybe I'll hang these somewhere else. 2 little deer with the little antlers. Again, these are also from the Dollar Tree. And to add a little bit of metal to my collection, I got these little wheelbarrows. These are super cute. Well, just one, and then the other 2 are little sleighs. There we go. So that is my little Dollar Tree haul. Not very much, but you know, still a nice little collection. My tree is not very big, as I showed you before. It's very slim. From a store called At Home, I purchased this box of shatterproof snowflakes, and they have an off-white color to them that I really like. And again, they have this little glittery look to them that resembles a lot these little branches from the Dollar Tree. Let's see, this is a pack of 6. It was only $3. That was a good purchase. I have these reindeer that are also similar package that say shatterproof. I purchased these last year and I don't recall actually using them, and I still have the little string here, and normally I would probably put just a hook on them or put a little rope to go with the decor that I like to use, but these didn't have anything on them, so I think maybe I didn't even use them at all, so maybe I'll use them this year. And then we have these little antlers with a little rope on them, which goes with the decor that I'm using, with a farmhouse theme sort of. They do have the colors that I like to use, and I'm using that this year. From Hobby Lobby, I love all these windmills. Here's a really big one. I don't know if that's actually going to go on the tree because it's kind of big. I may end up putting it on some other arrangement, maybe a wreath or something like that. I have this smaller one. It says farmhouse, and it doesn't have anything to hang it from, so I'll probably be putting a little rope twine string on them to hang, like this one has one on it already. This is a cute little windmill as well, the little tower, and then the little thing on the back. I don't know what that's called, but it's also got the twine to hang it. Let me tell you the prices of these. Let's see. I will let you know that I did get all of these at half off from Hobby Lobby. This one here, for example, let's see, That was $4.99, so I paid $2.50. They're kind of pricey, but you know, half off. I thought, well, I'm gonna go ahead and get them. I love them. They're beautiful. This one was $3.99, so it was $2. This one was probably the most expensive. It was what, $5.99, so I got it for $3. Then I've got this half a windmill here. Let's see, how much was that one? $3.99. It was $2. And this one was $4.99, which is the exact same one that I just showed you right now. I guess I grabbed two. Well, you know what? This one doesn't have that little farmhouse little sign, and I'm just noticing that it does have these little holes right here where this little sign must have been hanging from, but it's not there. And here I thought I was getting two different ornaments, and I just noticed that. The only reason that I took the time to notice it now is because they have the same price. Wow. Okay. Next time, look at things very carefully. Here's a water tower. I thought that was cute. It went really well with the whole farmhouse theme. I didn't go too crazy with the farmhouse theme. This one was $3.99, so it was $2. I didn't go too crazy with the whole farmhouse theme. I just went very light on my decor, and I have an announcement to make that I'll probably make in another video this week, kind of explaining why I didn't really spend a lot of money this year on Christmas. But look, there's my tree. These are going to be going on there. As you can see, it's a very slim tree. It's a 7-foot tree. And then I'll show you how everything looks when I finally get them on there. But like I said, I have a bit of an announcement. I said a few months ago, I think it was like maybe 2 months ago, in one of my videos that I had a surprise that I was going to mention in December. And you're probably wondering what it is. So that's what's going to be coming up. So I'm just going to leave it all a mystery. Okay, let's put these on my tree. Alright, so I have these 6-pack of these ornaments, and I'm going to start off with them. And I'm going to hang this one up pretty high up on my tree on this little branch right here. I'll tuck it in a little bit more once I have decided that that is the placement that I want for that. So since I have 6, I'm probably going to go somewhere back here and just work my way around the tree like that. I will let you know, and I don't know if I said this before when I was putting the ribbon and so forth on my tree, I don't put a lot of ornaments in the back. These are kind of in the back because when you're standing on the side of the tree you can see them, but way in there behind I don't put any ornaments really because they don't get seen. So that's just a little trick that if you're putting a tree up against a wall or in a corner, such as if I had placed it in that corner right there, you would only see part of the side, the front and the side. So this is one of the reasons that if you see people doing these Christmas trees and they're doing them professionally, you're going to notice that they're not going around the tree to place any of the probably the ribbon and the ornaments. Now it'll probably also happen with lights. The only time you see lights all the way around would be when there is a window. And basically the reason for that is because the ornaments aren't going to be seen, and we want to see all the ornaments. So make sure that if yours is in a corner against the wall, don't waste any way behind. Okay, now if they're in a window, and unless you have that window open and the tree is being looked at entirely through that window, maybe you want some ornaments. But I would really keep all these really nice keepsake ones and these more expensive ones that you have purchased only inside, which you'll see from the inside of your home. Okay, I'm going to continue putting those snowflakes on. Alright everyone, I have finished putting all the ornaments on my tree and I'm very happy with it. It is very full. There's a lot of things going on and lots to look at on this thin, slim tree. And I think that's enough. I think it looks really great. I didn't use the little pickup trucks, the little red pickup trucks on my tree. I decided to go ahead and use those for maybe a wreath for my back door coming out from my kitchen. So that's what I'm going to do. And that large windmill, the circle, kind of like this little one here. That one's the one that was missing the little sign, so that one's kind of like tucked in there, and it's not showing. No, it's actually, you can see it in live, but not too well in the video. Here's the other one. I think I showed that already in the video. Okay, so I also have those little churches, and I decided to also put them somewhere else. And that huge one, as I was saying, the large windmill, I decided to use it on the garland that's hanging on my fireplace. So let me go ahead and show you that. All right, there you can see that that large ornament is now hanging from the garland. This garland was in a video from last year. I went ahead and I just reused it as is because I felt that the colors went well with what I was trying to achieve this year. Look at my fake fireplace, you guys. All I did was place, or my fake fire, all I did was place some logs. I got those logs. They were $4.99. It was $5 for the wood logs. You can see that they're cut up. And I just placed them strategically. And then I placed some Christmas lights, kind of like just kind of bundled up in there. And then I covered them up with some little greenery stems that I got. I think I got these from Hobby Lobby, these little picks. But anyway, it gives a nice little glow and it makes it look like there's an actual fire going on in my fireplace. I'm not going to show you the rest because I'm going to do a little tour and you'll see the rest of the fireplace. Let me show you where I put the little churches. All right, so the little church ornaments I thought were really pretty. I went ahead and decided to put this one next to this clock on a little cabinet here that I have in my hallway. I'll show you the rest when I do the tour. But it's just sitting next to something and I think it looks really cute. What I did do is I cut off the tip. It had that little loop, little plastic loop made of the same material, and then it had the little string coming through it. Since I wasn't going to hang it, I thought, well, I'm just going to remove that part. And now it sits very nicely right there. Let me show you where I put the other one. All right, so the other one, I decided to nestle it in a lighted garland that I put on a shelf here that has a mirror right there. I'll show you the rest, what I did and how I put this little garland together when I did my little tour. But anyway, I did the same thing to the tip. I used my wire cutters and I cut that off so I wouldn't have that little loop there, and I placed it so that there would be a little light shining through it. Unfortunately, the other one, there's no lights near it, so I couldn't do the same. But I thought that it looks really cute. Anyway, that is it. All right, everyone, I'm going to give myself a big old thumbs up. I hope that you too will give me a big old thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe, and thank you to those who have been subscribing. Thank you all very much for viewing my videos and all for the really nice comments you've been leaving. Go ahead and leave another comment down below. Just make it nice. Let me know what you're doing. Are you still decorating your Christmas tree? Oh my goodness, we're in December already and I just finished mine. All right, everyone, I'm going to give you a little couple of videos, and then I'm going to do a little tour for this week, and that'll be it for all my Christmas. And then I'll be showing you some Christmas recipes, and I'm not sure what else I can think of, but if you have any suggestions, go ahead and let me know. And make sure you share on your social medias. I'm out of breath, everyone. But as always, enjoy.